Survicate is a customer feedback platform that seamlessly integrates with Customer I/O to let you run custom email surveys, automatically enrich people profiles with collected data, and trigger personalized campaigns. You can embed a custom survey directly into Customer I/O emails. First, build your survey by adding your questions and applying survey logic in Survicate. Customize the appearance. Then, copy the embed code and paste it into Customer I/O's email builder. You can ensure the most up-to-date information gathered from Survicate survey answers is immediately available in Customer I/O by mapping response data to custom fields in your people profiles. Just choose the question you want to pull information from and find the attribute in Customer I/O. You can do this for multiple questions in a single survey. Survicate will use Customer I/O data to identify respondents automatically. Attributes will update in real time as customers respond, eliminating the need for your team to jump between tools, tabs, and workflows. You can also use that data to create segments and build automated journeys. Just filter the attributes and create personalized campaigns. For example, automate a campaign asking for a review from every customer that gives you a high satisfaction rating. Your product team can automatically update people profiles with survey data in real time, eliminating manual work and providing instant customer insights. Your marketing team can trigger personalized campaigns based on survey responses, targeting customers with relevant messaging automatically. Your CX team can collect feedback and respond faster using embedded surveys and automated workflows, all within one platform. To connect the integration, find Survicate in Customer I/O's directory. Click Get Started and log in or create a free Survicate account. Go to Integrations and find Customer I/O. Provide your Customer I/O's account site ID, project API key, and account region, and click Connect. The integration is ready to use.